How to recover ChatGPT account's password. Now let's jump straight into the process. After you have entered your email address and verify that you are human, you need to click on continue. After that, you have to enter your password. As you have forgotten your password, you have to click on this option of forget password. Now click on continue. Now you have to check your email. Here I'm gonna open my email that is linked with your ChatGPT account. ChatGPT will send you some code or email to reset your password. You have to open that. You can see that I have just got it. After opening it, you can see this option of reset password. Click on it. Now you have to generate new password for your ChatGPT account. Again, re-enter your password. Click on reset password. Password changed. In this way, you can easily recover ChatGPT account's password. I hope now you guys are clear about how to recover ChatGPT account. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.